Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Clipchamp and loading the project you'll change. First, import the background file and your main clip into the media bin so everything is ready. Next, make sure the project ratio is correct, 16:9 for widescreen or 9:16 for vertical. Once those items are in the bin, drag your main clip onto the timeline. This first step places your footage where you can work, and it avoids scaling surprises later. Now you swap or replace backgrounds. Drag the imported background to a track under your primary clip so it shows through. Select your top clip and use Clipchamp's background replace or chroma key controls. Choose the sample color if you shot on green or use replace if you want a digital backdrop. Adjust keying tolerance, edge feather, and spill suppression until the subject looks natural. Also reposition and scale the background so the perspective and lighting match. This creates a believable composite. Finish by previewing and exporting. Play the timeline at full resolution and export a short clip at your final resolution to confirm color and edges. If you see halos or missing areas, reduce tolerance, increase edge feather, or slightly blur the background to hide noise. Relighting the background image can also help. Once satisfied, save a version project, then export the final file with the codec and quality you need. If Clipchamp crashes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.